If you've ever needed to add a bunch of events to Google Calendar without typing them in one by one, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import events to Google Calendar using a file from your computer, whether that file is a .ics file or a .csv file. This is perfect for importing meetings, appointments, reminders, or any other scheduled events in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your computer's web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you have more than one account connected. Once Google Calendar loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Google keeps the options for calendar setup and management. After you click the gear icon, select Settings from the menu. That will open the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of different options and sections. Scroll through that menu and click Import and Export. This is the area Google uses for bringing calendar data in from a file or exporting your current calendar data out. Now you'll see the Import section. Click Select File from your computer. A file window will pop up so you can browse your device. Find the .ics or CSV file that contains the events you want to add, then select it and open it. If you're not sure which file to choose, just remember that Google Calendar supports both formats, so use whichever one you already saved or received. Once your file is selected, look for the Add to Calendar drop-down menu. This is very important because it tells Google Calendar exactly where you want these events to go. Choose the specific calendar destination you want to use. For example, if you manage multiple calendars, pick the one that matches the events you're importing so everything stays organized. After you've selected the file and chosen the correct calendar, you're ready for the final step. Click the Import button. Google Calendar will process the file and add the events to your chosen calendar. Depending on how many events are in the file, this may take just a moment. When the import is finished, you can go back to your calendar view and check that the events appeared correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can always repeat the process with the correct file or calendar selection. But in most cases, once you click import, your events will be added automatically and you'll be ready to go. And that's how to import events to Google Calendar on your computer. It's a fast and easy way to move scheduled data into your calendar without manual entry. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.